Millie had made these charm bracelets for everybody at the final read-through, and mine said mama on it, which really touched me because I felt like everyone's de facto mom, and I hope they felt that way too. But when I got that, it was very, very sweet and very touching. In season 2, they made a romance novel for Karen when she's in the bath, and I'm reading this romance novel of a very good-looking guy with a woman on top, but it's actually a drawing of Dacre on the actual novel, so I got to keep that. It's pretty funny.